division of angles. Children, right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle, you know how to identify these. Now I am going to show you some figures. Please observe them carefully, and from these right angles, acute angles, or obtuse angles, you need to identify them. Madam, figure number 1 and number 5 represent acute angles. Figure number 2 is a right angle. Figure number 3 and 4 are obtuse angles. That's right. Now look here, some dots are given in a rectangle. We will join them and form right angles. So these are our right angles. Now let us join the dots to form acute angles. The acute angles are formed by these lines. Now let us join the dots to form obtuse angles. And see, our obtuse angles are ready. Children, we will play a game now. Ask your friend to form angles of different sizes at his elbow joint by folding his hand. You have to name the angle which is formed at his elbow. Is it a right angle, an acute angle, or an obtuse angle? Madam, an acute angle is formed at Rohan's elbow. Now it is a right angle and now it is an obtuse angle. Very good. You can see different angles being formed in your surroundings by various objects. The angle an electric pole makes with the ground is a right angle. The slide makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the ground. The ladder makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the wall. Look at this babool thorn. The angle between the thorns of the babool tree is an obtuse angle. Leaving the thumb, the angle between any two adjoining fingers is an acute angle. Children, by folding paper at various angles, you can make right angles, acute angles, and obtuse angles. You can also find out things in your surroundings where different angles are being formed. For example, a pair of tongs used in the kitchen for holding hot pots.